Good job.
Now let's vacuum the stairs.
We should vacuum the stairs now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go do that.
Yeah, but first I can't carry. But first, I have unplug my vacuum cleaner first.
Alright, good job.
And now I have the put it back on there.
Should we do this together?
Yeah.
Let's do teamwork on this.
Yeah.
Alright, you hold the cord and Daddy will wrap it.
Yeah.
Good job. Alright.
There we go. Now let's vacuum the stairs.
Alright, we vacuum the stairs with a big vacuum cleaner, right?
Yeah, with my little vacuum cleaner too.
I think we should leave that over there. We need to use the hose on the stairs. Okay? You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay.
With this one too.